In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Namecheap DNS step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you've never changed name servers before. This is useful if you want to switch back to Namecheap's default DNS, fix a domain setup issue, or make sure your domain is pointing to the right place. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place, so you can manage each one individually. Next, find the domain you want to reset. On the same row as your domain, click Manage. This will open the settings page for that specific domain, where you can control DNS, name servers, and other domain settings. Now scroll until you find the name servers section. This is the part that controls where your domain gets its DNS instructions from. If your domain is currently using custom name servers or a third-party provider, this is where you'll change it back. In the name servers dropdown, select Namecheap BasicDNS. This tells Namecheap to use its default DNS service for your domain. It's the simplest option if you want to reset the domain's name server setup back to the standard Namecheap configuration. After selecting Namecheap BasicDNS, look for the checkmark or save button and click it to apply your changes. This step is important because the update won't take effect until you save it. Once you've saved the setting, Namecheap will begin updating the DNS. Keep in mind that DNS changes do not always happen instantly. In many cases, they start working fairly quickly, but full propagation can take some time depending on your network, your internet provider, and global DNS caching. So if your website or email does not update right away, don't panic. That is completely normal. Give it some time, then check your domain again after the changes have had a chance to propagate. And that's it. You've now reset Namecheap DNS to Namecheap BasicDNS. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.